All right, what's up, guys? I thought I'd break down this chart. Look at Bitcoin go. This is exactly what we called for this morning. I said if I were the market maker, I got my entry up here, and I would take all these wicks from the early morning jump this morning. When people were like, oh shit, let's just long it for the hell of it, put a stop down here. Now that we're up here, let's go grab all those stop losses, run it back, and make them really feel like shit. And that's what they've done. My line in the sand right now is right here and it's obvious why I look at it. Look at that level. Look at the level. If that flipped that level, that's strong, guys. Shallow dips. It's a different type of range now. I'm gonna show y'all something. Let's delete this real quick. We'll go over why I took that trade completely here in a second. Anyways, main things I focus on, over this downtrend was the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. Obvious resistance, and now got that one deviation under it. That one, and it's still going strong. I like it. I like the look of the chart right now. There's no reason to be bearish right now. Now that it ran it back almost, I can't find a reason to be. The next point of interest, if we clear this level, would be trying to find this daily 200 EMA wherever it may actually end up being. We could just run that motherfucker here, and that would be the pain. That would be some real pain. The trend is a little bit different here. It's getting a little different. They've been having, it on repeat all the algos for a while now, and things look a little different. We're above resistance on a couple different things, and things might get real pretty for bulls here soon. So we just got to keep it. Obviously, there's no getting too bullish. There's obviously not getting too bullish before we take them highs out. I posted this morning, and we'll go over why I actually took that trade now. I posted this morning about, the highs of Bitcoin that just never get reran again, that just never, they never run them again. They get very close, but they just never run them again. And here's our chance. Here's our chance. And if it actually was to reclaim this, not even that really. Honestly, just this level right here, we're going to 25K plus for sure, 100% in my mind. But yeah, like I said, what I'm looking for now is maybe that daily 200 EMA. Get up there. It's been a while since we touched it. Looks like it's heading for it, 100%. We'll just have to go level by level, day by day. But anyways, let's break it down to why I actually took that trade. So we're at the highs. We're at the supply zone of Bitcoin. The highs that have yet to get taken in our long ass downtrend that we've been in. So we got that going for us. Let's break it down a little farther. All right, guys. So, okay. We'll call this the range, guys, right here. Okay? Got up under it. We're back above it. Now, this is the thing is losing this point and then pushing up to it without gaining the point back first. See what I'm saying? We pushed through all of this. We pushed through all of this after losing this level and came back to the highs. Now, you see, it would have been a little different if it would have did like this right here and launched. You see how it came back and reclaimed it? Now, look, it ain't even covered my stop loss. I mean, it didn't even hit my stop of this morning yet. It got right up next to it. But anyways, you see how I did this? That would have been a little better for it, But since we know it just ran through all of that, we're like, there's a very good chance we go take all of these wicks back. Take all those wicks back. Take the early morning jump when people just jumped on board to see what happens, make them close their trades out, and then run it all the way fucking back. And that's look at this. That's still just rejected up there. You can't get bullish until it stops not taking range highs. Until it does take range highs. I mean, obviously you don't want to be too late to the party. Yeah, we get it. But being late is better than fucking up. But above all that liquidity, that sea of liquidity we got there is pretty bullish to me. But anyways, let's go over why I actually took that trade. Let me get my drawings back. Go back. Okay. All right. Say, why did I take this trade this morning? So we get up here. Damn it. All right. We get up here. Start wicking. First, we wick the area immediately. So I'm like, okay, there's someone selling up here. It's supply zone, right? It's a supply zone until it's not. All right. So I ain't entered the trade yet. I entered the trade when it starts wicking up here again. Now see how it kind of flags out on the 15. It's not a strong, reclaim and just right back up it. It wicks it, wicks it and slowly flags. It's giving you, a good sign that hey, we're getting a little exhausted out here. And that's why I entered the trade. We're at the very highs. We never take the highs of the range. We just ran through all of that without actually claiming a level first. That's why I took the trade. We got a nice breakdown pattern flagging up. This is, you can decipher however this looks to anybody, but this is what it looks. It looks like a flaggish. It looks flaggish to me. Flaggish, bearish, bearish. So that was the point on why I took the trade. See on 5 minute, and it just looks that slow reclaim after this breakdown. It's just beautiful. Once you just do things and you look at these time frames enough, you'll just know. It just got a nice little breakdown and then just flagged up. It was a good bet, guys. It's a good bet. Just take highly convicted trades and you'll probably do okay in this game. But I appreciate y'all watching, guys. If y'all give me a like, I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.